I've seen people love and people throw it away, and I broke my delicate heart trying to use it the right way. But just as I was giving up, you taught me how to see. And you are mine. Love, it never felt so real. So take my hand, 'cause I'm as sure as I have ever been.
Fun butterfly facts. Check out our range of fun butterfly facts. Learn about the life cycle of butterflies, the wings, what they eat, and much more. Butterflies are insects. A butterfly's life cycle is made up of 4 parts: egg, larva, which is caterpillars, pupa, chrysalis, and adult. Butterflies attach their eggs to leaves with a special glue. Most caterpillars are plant eaters, herbivores. Fully grown caterpillars attach themselves to a suitable twig or leaf before shedding their outside layer of skin to reveal a hard skin underneath known as chrysalis. An adult butterfly will eventually emerge from the chrysalis, where it will wait for a few hours for its wings to fill with blood and dry, before flying for the first time. Butterflies can live in an adult state from anywhere between a week or a year, depending on their species. Butterflies have 4 wings. Butterflies often have brightly colored wings with unique patterns made up of tiny scales. Most butterflies feed on nectar from flowers. Butterflies have taste receptors on their feet. Scientists estimate that there are between 50,000 and 20,000 different species of butterfly. Bird-winged butterflies have large angular wings and fly in a similar way to birds. Monarch butterflies are known for their long migration. Every year monarch butterflies will travel a great distance, sometimes over 4,000 kilometers. Females will lay eggs and a new generation of monarchs will travel back, completing their cycle.